Hello, this is George Senda, the real, authentic, original, official, the one, the only, the original, the guy from Pittsburgh. All right, this is Burgh Unboxing. I thank the person who sent this, and I'll read you the note. George, you deserve some treats and the amazing video content you give us. Enjoy some cupcakes with love. And I won't mention the name, but I don't know if they want to have their name mentioned. So they sent me a box of Little Debbie cupcakes. So I thank you for that. It's appreciated. And that's this other note in here. And that's it. 8 cupcakes. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Bear with me. I'm still very, very tired. And I wasn't feeling well for the last 2 days because of my sinus issues. Have a great day. It's rather nippy out there and muggy today. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay warm and dry and safe, and I'll catch you next time. I don't know if I'm going to post this video or not, but I'm going back to sleep. Bye-bye for now.